equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Precision Revision plcaca. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dell Precision Revision plcaca may experience issues such as overheating or performance lags, often due to dust accumulation or failing components. If left unaddressed, these problems can lead to more severe damage, affecting your device's longevity and functionality. To carry out the repair, you will need a screwdriver set, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. Begin by ensuring the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the back cover using the appropriate screwdriver, taking care to keep track of the screws. Once open, locate the cooling fan and heat sink, which are often the culprits behind overheating. Disconnect the fan's power cable gently, and unscrew the heat sink from the motherboard. Apply new thermal paste to the CPU before reattaching the heat sink. If the fan is damaged, replace it with a new one, ensuring it is securely connected. Be cautious not to apply excessive force, as this can damage nearby components. After replacing the necessary parts, reassemble the device by reversing the steps taken. Ensure all screws are tightened and the back cover is securely in place. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your device and ensure proper ventilation during use. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.